I know you saw those people on Instagram, the guys who turned 10 cents into a few $1,000s, and you feel like, hey, I think I can do that too with Forex trading. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you learn this skill, all these things are possible. But the question is it possible for me? Now, I don't know, bro. And honestly, this right here, this ain't no game. Because just as fast as you can make $100, you can lose $1,000 in the process. But I'm gonna try though.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Now, at a subscriber's request, I had did a video a couple months back, right? And I was, trading, doing my thing, making a couple $100, couple $1,000 doing these challenges. I did the $500 challenge and I did that. But then I got challenged again. And I was like, turn $40 into $300. Now that ain't that easy, bro. And I low key was gonna run away from the challenge, but I was like, let me see if I can do it. And so y'all gonna see if I did it or not. Cause even if I didn't, I still put that thumbnail up there for clicks. Right now, y'all got me up at 3 a.m. as you can see on the screen. It's 2:59, but 3 a.m., that's the London session. Usually the best time to trade it. All right, the broker I recommend is below. This challenge right here, y'all, this ain't no joke. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no joke, big fella. But I'm gonna see if I can do it. And as you can see right now, it's dark outside. And by the time I'm done, I'm sure it's gonna be light outside. So just bear with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like this video, all right? Hit that like button so this video can get shared in the YouTube algorithm. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. Also, I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the video, so don't skip. Watch this and then watch to the end to see if you win some money, all right? Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so pull up my charts, man. As y'all can see, $40 in the account. Now I'm telling y'all, this ain't gonna be that easy, bro, but I'm gonna do the best I can on this thing to see if I can do it, and hopefully I shock myself. So I'm gonna look at a couple pairs. Let me go over here and grab I'm gonna grab GBP USD. I like that pair. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. As y'all can see, it's looking like let me see. It is definitely a downward trend. Okay, that's one thing I look at. It's getting ready to form what we call a W. It came out the Asian session, which is this blue box. Drop down to the stop put zone. It's getting ready to go up, come down, shoot up again. So yeah, technically another good hint is the shark is out of the water down here. So place a buy. All right, so let's get it. Hit a buy. Oh, guys. So as far as my lot size, I want to go as risky as possible, only because if I go any smaller, if I go like 1 cent, right, a mini lot, then it's gonna take forever to get to my goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do like 20 cent. All right, and that's equivalent to $2 per pip. All right, so I'm gonna hop in these markets and we're gonna see what's popping. So let's hit that buy at 20 cent. All right, I got my stop loss and my take profit on. All right, and at the gate, you can see right here, we already in profit. We already in profit out the gate. So I'm gonna take a brief intermission because I know this is probably gonna take a minute. I'm gonna go get me something to eat because your boy hungry, and we gonna come back, see what we got. Okay guys, so it is now 317. And as you can see, the take profit was hit. I am now at $95. So I set the take profit to hit at 50, went all the way up to 50, hit the take profit while I was eating. It is now 319. So it took me roughly 19 minutes to make $50. Yeah, so far so good. Not gonna get my hopes up because I do this a lot. Sometimes I win, I lose, win, lose. So I'm looking right now at Euro USD. As you guys can see on the chart, let me zoom out. This is what I always do when I first start trading, is I always zoom out to see what the trend is. And right now it still is looking like a downward trend. Okay, I'm looking for the shark out of the water. So the shark low-key is coming out of the water here. It's about to. Let me see, the RSI is at 52, so it's gonna drop a little bit more before it reverses. And so now that I'm at 95, I can raise my lot size. I'm thinking about going to 40 cent. All right, so I'll hit sell now and again, if it lets me do sell twice. Nope. So my account is too small to do two 40-cent lot sizes, so I'll do 140 and then 110. All right, so you see that, sell 40, 110, and we'll see, how this goes, guys. Quick tip, guys, when you're trading in the markets, rule number one, don't be greedy. Get what you can get and get out. All right. Number two, you need to learn how to not panic. A lot of times you may start out, of course, because of the spread, you're going to start out in the negative. Majority of the time when you place a trade, you're going to start out in the negative. All right. So know that. OK, so don't let that scare you. I would say practice in the demo as much as you can until you start seeing certain setups, and then place a trade. You only have to trade when you see a setup. If you don't see a setup or if you don't see certain things, then do not trade. Okay, you're just gonna risk your account, you're gonna mess it up, and it's gonna be bad for you in the end. All right, so right now I'm just sitting here waiting on this to do its thing. Typically it takes a while for the market to move, so I don't want to bore you, so we'll be back when we see what we got. Man, y'all, this trade right here took so long to go in profit. A long time. Right now I'm at like $5. As you can see, the market moving super slow on this particular pair. So yeah, I've been in and out of profit. I was low-key just gonna take the loss because I was losing by like $15, but I was like, let me just wait it out so I don't have to rush the video, But yeah, as you can see, I'm back negative 20 cent, back positive. But yeah, so that's the market for you, man. If you're a new trader, the market takes time. A lot of the times I usually want to set the stop loss and the take profit so that way I don't have to sit in front of the computer. But yeah, I'm in profit on this one, and I think I'm going to wait probably another 20 minutes to see what I'm at. And then after that, we can go from there. So I'll be right back. Guys, yeah, so I'm just killing time right now. The market usually, sometimes it goes really slow, so we have to kill time. So, searching YouTube, kicking it on Facebook. But one thing I want to say is, if you are somebody who has a job, if you can't see the power in Forex, then I don't know what to tell you, because literally in a matter of whatever time I've been doing this, turning $40 into whatever is actually pretty amazing, right? Just imagine taking $40 out of your pocket and multiplying it, by 10 or by 10 again, and continuing to be able to do that until you have 2 or 3 times as much as your paycheck. Yeah, it happens, Typically it's a lot harder to do a small account like that. It's really tough on a small account, so this was a good challenge for me. But bigger accounts, super easy, man. When I throw $1,000, $2,000 in there, I can freaking do, $300-400 within, minutes. of placing the trade, but it's very challenging trying to do a smaller account, but it can happen. So we're just gonna see what, you know, the market does, and then I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so it is now 4 o'clock, and this trade is only at $1 profit. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. Well, yeah, I'll take my $1. Okay, now I'm negative. Yeah, so that was a waste. That was a complete waste. But we're gonna get into another trade, okay? So let me look for one and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, guys, so it's now like 4:25. Same trade. The shark is out of the water and it's getting ready to go up. So that's one of our strategies, guys. So now I'm gonna be able to get in again on a buy on this same trade. I'll get in on a buy and we'll see what happens, okay? And so I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did before, which is place like 2 or 3 trades, 2 10-cent, 140 cent, and we'll see where that gets us here shortly, guys. So stay tuned. I told you, this right here, it ain't as easy when you got a small account. Usually accounts between like 500 and 1,000 is usually a lot easier to trade with, because you can withstand the dips and things like that. With a very small account, you have to be very careful because you can blow it like that. And so what I try to do is I look for the strategies that we practice in the trainings that we have. And if I don't see them, I don't trade. Guys, so the shark out the water method does work wonders, but as a teaching moment right now, what happens is, do you see right here? Okay, so we know the shark is out of the water here. This is a teaching method that I do teach. And so that's great that it's kind of happening now. As you can see, the shark is out of the water, but what happens is the market makers, they still have to collect contracts. And so that's why the market is dropping right here. And so sometimes people will see the shark out of water and they'll immediately get in, kind of how I did, right? And the market makers, they'll go collect some more contracts and then they'll push the market up. So this may go down for another little while. So I'll take a L on camera on this one, $25. I'll take a loss on the $25 because that was just bad judgment, and that's a teaching moment. So that brings me down to $67.95. Yeah, this right here ain't gonna be easy. But that's a teaching method. So whenever you see the shark out of the water, there's a couple things you want to look for. One, you want to look at the RSI price line. All right, so the RSI price line is only at 43. Typically when it gets to around 30, then they change directions in the market. It's only at 43. I didn't catch that, which was my fault. So they have to get down. They have to go down to as low as 30 before they go in the opposite direction. So my analysis was right, but I just didn't catch that. And so that's why I took a L, $25 L. So I'm at 67.95 right now. And yeah, so it is now 4:37. And yeah, I am at all because this is going to be a lot harder than I thought. But I'm going to see if I can do this. All right. And yeah, so I'm going to go with the same pair still because I'm just going to wait till it hits its point before it does its reversal. And then I will attempt to get in, or I could just ride the rest of this down because it looks like I have a few more contracts to go before they reverse. So yeah, let's do it. So as you guys can see, the shark out of the water method really works. Right now I'm sitting at $24, which I think I'm gonna take. The shark is out of the water here, $28. The shark is out of the water here, and we're at $32. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that. All right, so I just made $32. Okay, so now that puts me back at $99.95. Yeah. So I've been trading now for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, or maybe 2 hours. And yeah, so far I turned $40 into $99. 300. Whew. That's gonna be tough, big fella. Yeah, so this video won't be entirely too long. I'm gonna just trade until approximately around like 10, 11, and then I'll come back with my results. But yeah, so see you guys then. Whew. So that was a long journey. I ain't never doing that again, ever. Don't even ask. Nah, but so it's 10:16 a.m. right now. As you can see, bright outside. Been doing this for a long time, and I'm tired, big fella. I'm ready to go sleep. The results are in, man, and you can see this last trade is going, and about to close it out at $210, which brings my total to $309, and we did it, but it was tough, it was rough, and I don't advise nobody to make a video like this, because you're gonna be up all day, and I ain't got time for that. I'm tired, big fella. I don't even like trading a London session like that, because I don't like getting up that early. It's just too early for you, boy. I like getting up New York session about 7:45, 8 o'clock, and then I start my day like that, but that 3 in the morning, nah. Real quick, it's time to do some giveaways, y'all. I said I was gonna do the giveaways, man, so let me go to a few of my video to see. I'm gonna go to my latest video. So if you watched this far, thank you. If you wanna see if you wanna win, stay on the video. If you're done watching, cool, you can go. Peace, but thank you for watching so far. But we're gonna go ahead and hit this comment section, and I'm about to pull out this phone and we're gonna do some giveaway. All right, so let's do that. So we're here on the comment section. I see the first person is Lawrence. Shout outs to Lawrence. I'm gonna bless you, Lawrence. I see you right there at the top. And guys, guess what? You can enter to win by simply just commenting on the videos and commenting your Cash App. Liking the video, you know, stuff like that. Boom, Lawrence Mooney, confirm. I hope this is your Cash App. I'm gonna say YouTube comment winner. I'm gonna pay you $25. That was for Lawrence. Shout outs to Lawrence. Who else? Oh, right here, Crystal. We're gonna pay. It say Felicia Watkins, so Crystal, I hope that was your, I guess, okay. Okay, so you good. Who else we got? Shout out to Sharice Green. I'm gonna say YouTube comment winner. Who else I got on here? Who else showed some love with their Cash App? Don't tell me that was it. Impossible. Has to be more, because this video got a lot of comments, so let me see. Okay, AJ got jokes. Bam. Confirm. YouTube comment winner. Boom. That's you. Who else we got? Let me see. We got any more Cash Apps in this thing? Oh, there we go. Let me see. 25 to KD. I hope this is you, but I'm gonna send it anyway. Boom. I might be able to do like 1, 2 more. Let me see. Who else we got? I did Lawrence. Who we got? Terry D. Terry D. I got you coming. 25. Pay. That's my boy Terry right there, you know what I'm saying? What we looking like now? All right, let me do Let's see who else we got on here. Who else we got? Letitia. All right, Tish. I hope I didn't pay you twice. Who else we got on here though? Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else on this video? You just never know which video I'm gonna pick. So I told y'all to comment on all of them. Shout out to Tiffany. I'm gonna send Tiffany 25. 25. Who else we got? Anybody else? Is that it? All right, look like that's it. Yep. So that's it on that video. Y'all make sure, man, every video, y'all comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You just never know which video I'm gonna pick to go through. So you gotta put it on all of them. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, whenever I get my AdSense, I'm gonna just be sending out payments here and there all the time. So be on the lookout. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in another video. Peace.